Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to recover your online banking account of Bank of New York Mellon. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to recover your online banking account. You make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection before we get started. Firstly, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, there's a search box, so then type in the link that is www.bnymellon.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. On the other page, you will be directed into official site, and in order to log in, you'll have to tap on client access in the top right corner. As you tap on client login on the other page, you'll have to select your account type. So in order to log in into your online banking account, you'll have to tap on access, which is under NEXEN portal. So once you do that, on the other page, you will be directed into login page. So in the right hand side corner, there is a login interface, and over here you can see that without entering your following information that includes a user ID and a password, you'll not be able to log in into your account. And right at the bottom, you can see there are two different options, that is forgot password and forgot username. If you're not able to log in into your account because of your incorrect password, so then tap on forgot password. The next page, you will be directed to the support center, and in the right hand side corner you can see you'll have to provide the following information in order to reset or verify your account. So first of all, you'll have to enter your user ID, and in case you have forgotten your user ID, so then tap on forgot user ID, which is right in the corner. As you tap on forgot user ID, so the alternative is that you'll have to enter your first name and your last name that is associated with your following bank account. And after you're done, next you'll have to enter your email address so that you can be notified through an email. So then make sure to enter the correct email address that is linked with your bank account. So once you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again and then tap on submit in the bottom right corner. As you tap on submit, and if the provided information is correct, next you'll either receive a reset link or an OTP. In case you receive a reset link, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on the link, and on the other page you get to reset or recreate a new login information. So once you're done recreating a new login information, you'll have to go back to your home page or your login page once again and then log in with the newly created login information. And in case if you're not able to log in because of your user ID, so the procedure to recover is similar. All you have to do is instead of password, you'll have to tap on user ID in the login page. So that is how you can recover your online banking account of Bank of New York Mellon. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.